हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्नर साड़ा। फ्रेंड्स, जो मैंने पीजी एंट्रेंस में प्रिपेयर होती से प्रैक्टिस सेट प्रोवाइड करा जाउछि। पॉलिटिकल साइंस रो प्रैक्टिस सेट प्रोवाइड करुछि एवं हिस्ट्री प्रैक्टिस सेट प्रोवाइड करुछि। और जो मैंने पॉलिटिकल साइंस रो प्रीवियस प्रैक्टिस सेट देखि नांती प्लेलिस्ट रे रहिछि, जाई देखि देबे। एटा होछि प्रैक्टिस सेट नंबर 5। Question number 1. In Marxist view of politics, conflict is inherent in the objective situation of the option A political system, B economic system, C class system, D social system. Answer of option C class system. Question number 2. The liberal view of politics is based on the assumption that human beings are basically option A egoistic, B modern, C independent, D traditional. Answer of option A egoistic. Question number 3. According to the Marxist point of view, politics is only a part of option A structure, B substructure, C superstructure, D class structure. Answer of option C superstructure. Question number 4. Which of the following is not the indirect form of imperialism? Option A tariff control, B leasehold, C nationalism, D sphere of influence. Answer of option C nationalism. Question number 5. According to which theory, participation represents the process by which goals are set and means are chosen in relation to all sorts of social issues? Option A Marxist theory, B democratic theory, C socialist theory, D none of the above. Answer of option B democratic theory. Question number 6. The chief proponents of the theory of natural rights are option A Laswell and Kaplan, B John Locke and Thomas Paine, C Hegel and Kant, D none of the above. Answer of option B John Locke and Thomas Paine. Question number 7. The work Law and Rights is authored by Harold Lasky, B W. Hawking, C L T Hobhouse, D none of the above. Answer of option B W. Hawking. Question number 8. Legal justice is broadly applied in the context of option A law according justice, B justice according to law, C both A and B, D law and justice according to morality. Answer of option B justice according to law. Question number 9. Democratic or political participation is the hallmark of democracy and option A political development, B political modernization, C both A and B, D political communication. Answer of option C both A and B political development and political modernization. Question number 10. Who said the democracy is only an experiment in government? Option A Rousseau, B Lindsay, C Lowell, D Macpherson. Answer number option C. Answer hobo option C Lowell. Question number 11. Secularism means option A freedom of worship to minorities, B suppression of all religions, C separation of religions from state, D a system of political and social philosophy that does not favor any particular religious faith. That was answer option D. Question number 12. The Constitution of India is designed to work as a unitary government. The Constitution of India is designed to work as a unitary government. Option A, in normal times. B, when the parliament so desires. C, at the will of the president. D, in times of emergency. Answer of option D, in times of emergency. Question number 13. The Constitution of India does not mention the post of. Option A, the Deputy Prime Minister. B, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. C, the Deputy Speaker of the State Legislative Assemblies. D, the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Answer of option A, the Deputy Prime Minister. Question number 14. How many times can the President of India return a non-money bill passed by Parliament? Option A, once. B, twice. C, thrice. D, never. Answer of option A, once. Question number 15. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? Option A, President. B, citizens of India. C, Lok Sabha. D, Parliament. Answer of option A, President. Question number 16. The charge of impeachment against the President of India for easy removal can be preferred by. Option A, Lok Sabha. B, Rajya Sabha. C, both houses of Parliament. D, Speaker of Lok Sabha and Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Answer of C, both houses of Parliament. Question number 17. Article 78 of the Constitution deals with. Option A, emergency powers of the President. B, President's power to send advisory messages to the Parliament. C, President's power to get information from the councils of ministers. D, Prime Minister duty regarding keeping the President informed about the government decisions and policies. Answer of option D. Question number 18. How many types of emergency have been visualized in the Constitution of India? Option A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4. Answer of option 18 C, 3. कौन कौन से कमेंट रे आपण माने लिखिबे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. Judicial review function of the Supreme Court means the power to. Option A, examine the constitutional validity of the laws. B, undertake periodic review of the Constitution. C, review its own judgment. D, review the functioning of judiciary in the country. Answer of option A, examine the constitutional validity of the laws. It is judicial review function. Question number 20. The Vice President is elected by an electoral college consisting of members of. Option A, Lok Sabha. B, Rajya Sabha. C, both houses of Parliament. D, both houses of Parliament and state legislative assemblies. Answer of option C, both houses of Parliament. फ्रेंड्स जदि वीडियो पसंद आसे प्लीज़ लाइक करंतु, निज सांग मान पाखु शेयर करंतु और जो मैंने सब्सक्राइब करना दयाकोरी सब्सक्राइब करने सहित बेल आइकन उपरे प्रेस करंतु. धन्यवाद.